Welcome to this guided journey into the world of energy manipulation. Before we begin, take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly. Feel yourself becoming present in this moment, leaving behind distractions and stress. Everything around us is energy. Science tells us that all matter, including our bodies, thoughts, and emotions, is made up of energy vibrating at different frequencies. Ancient traditions, from Chinese qi to Indian prana and Japanese ki, have long understood that this energy flows through and around us, influencing our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Many people go through life unaware of this energy, yet they feel its effects every day. Have you ever walked into a room and instantly sensed the mood, whether it was tense or joyful? Have you ever felt drained after being around certain people or uplifted after spending time in nature? These are examples of energy at work. Whether we realize it or not, we are constantly interacting with energy, absorbing, releasing, and influencing it. The practice of energy manipulation is about becoming conscious of this flow, learning to harness it, and directing it with intention. Some call it a mystical force, while others see it as an extension of focus and awareness. Regardless of perspective, one thing remains true: energy follows intention. Where your focus goes, energy flows. In this session, you will begin to experience your own energy in a tangible way. You will learn how to feel it, shape it, and direct it for healing, balance, and personal empowerment. With practice, these skills can help you enhance your focus, reduce stress, and develop a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. Before we move forward, remember that energy manipulation is not about controlling others or forcing change unnaturally. It is about aligning yourself with the natural flow of life, cultivating awareness, and using your inner power responsibly. Like any skill, it requires patience, practice, and an open mind. Now, take another deep breath in. Feel the air filling your lungs, revitalizing your body. As you exhale, let go of any doubts or preconceived notions. Allow yourself to be fully present. This is your time to explore, to learn, and to connect with the energy that has always been within you. Are you ready? Let's begin. Welcome to the first step in your journey of energy manipulation. Before you can harness and direct energy, you must first become aware of it. This begins with centering yourself, quieting the mind, grounding your body, and tuning into the energy that already flows within and around you. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel the air entering your lungs, filling you with life, and then gently leaving, carrying away any tension or distractions. Again, breathe in and out. Let go of any thoughts about the past or future. Right now, in this moment, there is only you and your breath. Now find a comfortable position. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, rest in a chair with your feet flat on the ground, or even stand if that feels right for you. Keep your back straight but relaxed. Place your hands gently on your lap or at your sides. Close your eyes or lower your gaze if you prefer. As you continue to breathe, begin to shift your attention inward. Feel the weight of your body pressing into the surface beneath you. Notice the sensation of the air on your skin, the rhythm of your heartbeat, the stillness between each breath. You are becoming fully present. Now imagine a warm, gentle light at the center of your body. It could be in your chest, near your heart, or in your lower abdomen, wherever it feels most natural. This is your core, your energy center, the source of your inner power. Picture this light growing brighter with each inhale, expanding outward, filling your entire body with warmth and vitality. With every breath, this light becomes steadier, stronger. It pulses gently, radiating calm and balance. As you focus on this energy, you may begin to feel a subtle vibration or warmth spreading through you. This is your life force, your personal energy. It has always been there, but now you are becoming aware of it. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Gently bring your focus back to your breath, back to the glowing light at your center. Let it anchor you in the present moment. You are not rushing this process. You are simply observing, feeling, and allowing yourself to connect with the energy within. Now take another deep breath in and slowly exhale. Imagine any stress or negativity melting away, dissolving into the air. With each breath, you become more centered, more balanced. You are fully present, fully aware. In this state of calm and focus, you are ready to begin working with your energy. You are now in control, connected to your inner power. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of balance with you. Congratulations, you have taken the first step in mastering your energy. Let's move forward. Now that you are centered and fully present, it's time to activate your energy. Energy flows where attention goes, and by focusing your awareness, you can begin to feel and shape the energy within you. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel your body relaxed yet alert. Your mind is clear, open, and ready to experience something new. Now bring your hands in front of you about a foot apart, as if you are holding an invisible ball between them. Keep your fingers relaxed, slightly curved, and facing each other. Imagine that you are cradling something delicate, something powerful, your own energy. Begin by rubbing your palms together gently, creating warmth and friction. Feel the heat building up between your hands. This movement activates the energy centers in your palms, making it easier to sense and manipulate energy. After a few moments, stop rubbing and hold your hands apart again. Close your eyes if it helps you focus. Now, very slowly move your hands slightly closer together, then apart again, as if pressing and releasing an invisible cushion. Pay attention to any subtle sensations, perhaps a tingling, warmth, or a gentle resistance between your palms. It might feel like a magnetic force, an unseen pressure pushing back as your hands move. This is your energy field. If you don't feel anything right away, don't worry. Be patient and trust the process. Energy awareness develops with practice. Keep breathing deeply, maintaining a relaxed focus. The more attention you give, the stronger your sensitivity will become. Now visualize a soft, glowing light forming between your hands. Maybe it's a golden orb, a pulsing blue flame, or a shimmering field of energy, whatever feels natural to you. See it growing brighter with each breath, expanding and contracting as you move your hands. Imagine this energy as warm, alive, and flowing effortlessly. As you continue to explore this energy, try gently compressing the space between your hands, as if molding a ball of clay. Notice how the sensation changes. Now slowly pull your hands apart again, stretching the energy field. Feel its elasticity, its presence. This is your personal energy, real, tangible, and responsive. You are not imagining it. You are simply becoming aware of what has always been there. Take another deep breath in and slowly exhale. Hold this awareness for a moment. You are now experiencing the fundamental force that connects your mind, body, and spirit. When you are ready, gently lower your hands, allowing the energy to settle back into your body. Take a moment to appreciate this experience. You have successfully activated your energy. With practice, this sensitivity will grow, allowing you to manipulate and direct this force with greater intention. You are now ready for the next step. Let's continue. Now that you have activated and felt your energy, it is time to take control, to shape it with intention. Energy is fluid like water or air. It moves, shifts, and responds to your thoughts. By learning to control it, you unlock the ability to refine, strengthen, and direct it with precision. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel yourself grounded and aware. You are centered, your energy is activated, and now you will begin to shape it. Bring your hands together, about a foot apart, just as you did before. Hold them as if cradling a sphere of energy. This energy is alive. It pulses, vibrates, and responds to your awareness. Now imagine that this energy is like clay in your hands. You are the sculptor, and your mind is the tool that will shape it. Start by slowly compressing your hands toward each other, gently pressing in on the energy. Do you feel a subtle resistance? A pushback? That is the energy reacting to your intention. Now expand your hands again, stretching the energy outward. Notice how it follows your movement, as if forming an invisible shape between your palms. Let's refine this control. Imagine this energy ball changing in size. Shrink it down, condensing it into a small, powerful sphere. Feel the intensity increasing as it becomes more compact. Now expand it again, allowing it to grow larger, lighter, and more open. With practice, you will be able to control the density and strength of your energy with ease. Now let's shift its form. Picture the energy sphere transforming. Perhaps it becomes a spiral, flowing like a vortex between your hands. Maybe it elongates into a thin stream, like a ribbon of light. Experiment with different shapes, feeling how each one carries a unique sensation. Some may feel heavier, others lighter. Some may pulse quickly, others may be slow and steady. As you practice, notice how your emotions affect the energy. If you focus on peace, the energy may feel calm and smooth. If you focus on power, it may feel dense and intense. Your thoughts and emotions shape the energy in real time. Now take another deep breath in and slowly exhale. Hold the energy in your hands for a moment, appreciating your growing ability to control it. This energy is not random. It is an extension of you, a force that you can guide with precision and intent. When you are ready, gently release the energy, letting it dissolve back into the space around you or return to your body. Lower your hands and take a moment to reflect. You have just learned to shape and control your energy, an essential step in energy manipulation. With continued practice, you will gain greater mastery, allowing you to use energy for healing, protection, and transformation. You are progressing. You are in control. Let's move forward. Now that you have activated and felt your energy, it is time to direct it. Energy follows intention, and with focus, you can guide it where it is needed, whether for healing, empowerment, or manifestation. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel yourself fully present, connected to your energy. Your mind is clear, your body is relaxed, and your awareness is sharp. Begin by bringing your hands back into position, just as you did before. Hold them slightly apart, as if cradling an invisible ball of energy. Feel its presence between your palms, pulsing, warm, alive. You have already awakened this force within you. Now you will learn to guide it. First, focus on a specific intention. Do you wish to send energy to a part of your body for healing? Do you want to strengthen your aura? Or perhaps you want to project energy outward toward a goal or another person with positive intent. Whatever your purpose, set it clearly in your mind. Energy responds best to focused thought. Now visualize the energy between your hands shifting. Imagine it condensing into a glowing stream, like liquid light. Slowly lift one hand and point it toward your chosen destination. This could be your chest, an area of tension in your body, or even outward into the world. Picture the energy moving, flowing gently from your palm, guided by your intention. As the energy moves, you may feel warmth, tingling, or a subtle pressure. These sensations confirm that the energy is responding to your focus. If you are directing energy inward, visualize it spreading through your body, filling you with light and healing vibrations. If you are sending it outward, imagine it traveling like a wave, reaching its destination with clarity and purpose. Now let's amplify the effect. With each inhale, draw in more energy from the space around you, gathering it into your core. With each exhale, direct that energy where it is needed. See it growing stronger, flowing effortlessly like a river of light. If you are using this energy for healing, imagine it dissolving any pain or tension, restoring balance and vitality. If you are projecting energy outwards, see it carrying your intention, perhaps as a blessing, protection, or strength for someone in need. Remember, energy is neutral. It takes form based on your thoughts and emotions. Keep your mind calm, your heart open, and your intention pure. With practice, you will gain greater control, learning to shape and refine this force with precision. Now take a final deep breath in and slowly exhale. Gently lower your hands, allowing the energy to settle. Feel gratitude for this moment, for the awareness you have cultivated. You have successfully directed your energy. With time and practice, this ability will grow stronger. You are now one step closer to mastering your inner power. Let's continue the journey. Now that you have learned to direct your energy, it is time to take the next step, harnessing this energy for transformation. Energy is not just something we feel. It is something we can use it to create real change within ourselves and in the world around us. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel yourself grounded, centered, and connected to your energy. You have activated it, shaped it, and directed it. Now you will learn how to harness it for a specific purpose. Begin by thinking about an area of your life where you seek transformation. Do you want to cultivate more confidence, heal emotional wounds, attract new opportunities? Whatever it is, hold that intention in your mind. Clarity is key. Energy responds best to well-defined thoughts and emotions. Now bring your hands together again, as if holding a sphere of energy between your palms. Close your eyes if it helps you focus. Imagine this energy pulsing, shifting in color and intensity, aligning with your intention. This is not just light, it is the raw potential of change, waiting to be shaped by your will. As you breathe in, visualize yourself drawing in even more energy from the universe around you. Feel it flowing through your body, gathering at your core, then moving to your hands. With each breath, this energy becomes more vibrant, more powerful. You are not just holding it, you are harnessing it, refining it, making it your own. Now direct this energy toward your intention. If you seek confidence, see the energy filling your body, strengthening your posture, your voice, your presence. If you seek healing, imagine it flowing to the areas where you hold pain, dissolving negativity, restoring balance. If you desire new opportunities, visualize the energy radiating outward, sending a clear signal to the universe. Hold this visualization, feel it, believe it. The energy you cultivate here does not disappear when this session ends. It stays with you, influencing your thoughts, your actions, your reality. Now gently pull your hands apart and release the energy into the world, trusting that it will manifest in the right way at the right time. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let go of any doubt. Know that transformation is already in motion. With this practice, you have unlocked the ability to harness energy for real change. It is not about magic. It is about awareness, intention, and the natural flow of energy within and around you. The more you practice, the stronger this ability will become. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, carry this energy with you, and let it shape your life. You have taken another powerful step forward on your journey. Let's continue. Thank you for joining this session. Your energy is powerful. Use it with intention and awareness.